Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to use basic CSS and we're going to use this to style attribute selectors. Attribute selectors are elements like when you have in a form element, you have these type elements. And what we want to do is format these in terms of margin. And so what we have the margin here, and it goes, we want 10 pixels at the top and 15 pixels at the bottom. And if you remember our dot notation, that means that we're going to want to do 10 pixels at the top, 0 on the right, 15 on the bottom, and then 0 on the left. So when we write this out, we're going to first off write our CSS selector. And so I'm going to make the type is equal to that of check box, right? So that basically the type is going to match here. So I'm copying and pasting that essentially. And then inside, we're going to make the margin. And then again, at the top, we are going to want 10 pixels. On the right, we want 0 pixels. On the bottom, we want 15 pixels. And on the left, we want 0 pixels. And you'll see, once we finish this, that these have just adjusted their size a little bit. You see if I comment them out, that this shape of these grows and shrinks? This is essentially what we're looking for. And so if we run the tests, that should pass. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson.